How do traders withdraw their profits? Here at the Funded Trader, paying out our traders is the #1 priority. We're sending millions of dollars to traders every single month, and it's important you understand how to get paid as a TFT trader. We currently offer crypto as a payment option, and we plan to introduce additional payment options in the near future. In order to be eligible for a payout, you must satisfy all conditions. If you have a new funded account for the Royal Challenge, you will be eligible for an 80% split 30 days from your first trade. If you select the 14-day add-on when purchasing the Royal Challenge, you can request your first payout in as little as 14 days. For the Standard Challenge, you will be eligible for an 80% split 21 days from your first trade. For Rapid Challenge, you will be eligible for an 80% split 14 days from your first trade. And lastly, for Nights, you will be eligible for an 80% split only 7 days from your first trade. Following the initial payout splits, all account types will have bi-weekly withdrawals, with the exception of the Nights account, which will continue to have weekly withdrawals. You will receive your payout within 48 to 72 hours, and you can continue trading while waiting for your payout. Our team will be working internally during all working hours, from Monday to Friday, to make sure your payouts are going out on schedule. We recently introduced the Kings program, which now features additional benefits for our funded traders. If you satisfy all the conditions, you will be eligible for the same-day payouts, anytime withdrawals, and 90% payout splits. Reaching this milestone with your funded account is the goal of every TFT trader. Whether you're an affiliate or a funded trader, your payouts can be requested inside of our Trade Hub on the Profit Share page. We want to make sure whether you're our partner or a trader, you have everything you need to get paid with our programs and keep getting paid. Let us help you build your empire. Start today.